right? Like the brain of your um, it's the brain of your AgentForce, right? And we compared Einstein bot and the Einstein Copilot as well, right? So in this class, one of you asked me the question to please explain about all the, you know, actions, custom actions, standard actions of Einstein Copilot, right? So start from there, okay? And then if you have any doubt, you can stop me and ask the question, okay? So I'm sharing the screen. Please let me know if my screen is visible, okay? So yeah, this is the bot. You see, this is the standard bot. Right now, I activated the standard bot. Okay, this is standard Einstein Copilot, not bot. Sorry, standard action. Okay, the standard Einstein Copilot actions. Okay, now, so if I come to the opportunity, you see, open any opportunity record. See, it will show that shows top opportunities, shows recent opportunities. If I click on any of them, if I click, let's say it will show all the details of that opportunities. Let it load. It takes some time. It looks like no opportunity available. Matching query. So I'll type like this. Okay. Show me the opportunity with stage is equals to close one. Is equals equal to closed one. Closed one. Okay. See the magic. It will show all the opportunity stage is equals to closed one. Okay. Sticking out and yes, see, these are all the opportunity. It shows all the opportunity with the stage is equals to closed one. You see, view more. If you click on that, you can see view more, right? If you wanted to see, so me all the product associated with this opportunity. Product associated. Sorry for the spelling. My keyboard is not that much good. Associated. So we all product associated to the opportunity. Opportunity. Okay, let's see what result it gives. You have to very specific. On that basis it will reply. See, here's a product associated with the opportunity that have closed one. Okay, how else I can assist you? You see, these are all the product opportunity, right? Let's see. Show me the bundle product. It's a product. Show me the bundle product. It's a product from CPQ. Bundle. Show me the product features. Let it be product features. This is the standard one which I'm using. I'll show you that I built a custom one as well, and from this bot I called from this particular Einstein Copilot I call the flow as well. So these are the steps it's given. Maybe it didn't understand what I asked, so that's why I didn't give the appropriate reply. So if I click on this, so Salesforce, this is the opportunity record, right? Now if I go to that account, it shows that value, but it's not showing due to certain reason. Okay, show me all the account. Let's say. So basically, if you go to any record page, it will give that. Okay, that value. What is what you are looking for, and see all the account it will saves. You just need to type whatever you are looking for. It will show you the result over here. Okay. So let's write like that. Show me. Please help me with the amendment contract. Amendment contract is the part of CPQ. Okay. Contract. Please help me with the amendment contract. So for example, the contract ID you can assist with, so then it will see the reply. Could you please provide me more detail? It didn't understood, right? So this is the way the standard one work. Let me show you all of them one by one, okay? Let's go to the setup and search over here called agent, okay? Agent. Okay. As for the previous class, we need to enable this, and then at the bottom you'll find the Einstein Copilot, and from there you can go to the Einstein Copilot builder. Okay. Now I'll go to that Einstein Copilot builder. Okay. And here I will show you some of the actions. So this topic's the standard topic. This is a custom topic which is created by me, and this is available from the system, from the Salesforce. So this is a custom one. Okay. I added the action over here. So now you see identify the record. So this one you are talking, which we are talking to, it's identify one. Okay. Now let's go to this one. Let's deactivate this identify one and deactivate this. Okay. Now go to the flow one. Oh, sorry, my bad. I'll activate the flow one. Okay. This is the flow one. I'll activate it. Okay. I'll activate this. This is the action which I created for the flow. Okay. Let me show you the flow. Then I'll come another one. Okay. I'll refresh this page. Basically, this create case, it helps us to create the case. Okay. And this the custom one which I created from the flow, and I'm calling the flow from this Einstein Copilot. Okay. Einstein Copilot action. So that is a different one. So I think it's the same. One second. Create a case tagged with account Salesforce case reason. Case reason is new issue. Case priority. Case priority is high. Subject is page layout issue. Okay. Subject is support case with dynamic form. Support case with the sales engagement. Engagement. Let it be something like that. So it should create a case. Let's see. Creating out associated to this account. Multiple account find. So you choose this and submit. Because with the name of Salesforce, many record was there. That's why it's saying. Figuring out, and then let's see. The case is created. Okay. If you go to this related list, you'll find the case is created successfully. Scroll down. Go to the related list of the case. The case is created. Right. It's not. Oh, sorry, my bad. Why it's not tagging with this? Let's open the case record. Okay, this is the case record. Support case with sales engagement. The problem here is why this is not tagging with account. Let me check. The account name is not showing. There's certain problem, but yeah, account name should come. It is not coming. Definitely there's an error. So let me try to do it one more time. Okay. This time I'll use sales. Okay. Go to the account. I'll choose this. Advanced communication. Let's see. It's created. Now let's check. Is it related to the account or not? support issues. No, I think it's a wrong one. One moment. No, it didn't create it. Surprise. One second. Put case. Let me have a look. Okay, basically it should tag with the account because I written that. Create a case, tag with the account. Okay, this. One second. Let me check it why it's not working. Let me try with the ID for the time being. Sorry.
I'm rejoining with the laptop. Be with me, please. I'm just joining, guys.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, I'm just sharing. Thank you for waiting.
Okay.
Is it visible? Can you see my screen, guys?
Yeah.
Please confirm. Visible, right? Okay. Let's play around with the agent again. Let it load and then. Yeah, that is was not tagging to account, right? So let's try to check why it's not tagging to the account. Okay, one second. First of all, I open the flow. Okay. Why that much slow? Yeah. It's the auto launch flow which I created, and I'm calling the auto launch flow from the Einstein Copilot custom agent bot agent. Meanwhile, it's loading. Let's check this one more time. Let's try to check it one more time. Okay, why it's not creating? Let's see. Should tag with this test account. Oh my god, that's the one. Submit. I think this time it will tag. Test. I'll just search for the case number. Why is that so? One second. Take it away. Perfect. That's the case number. Hopefully it should tag the case. Sorry, the account object. Because the logic was correct. I'm not sure why it was failing. Guys, I apologize for my internet connection. Maybe it was just because of that or something else. I'm not sure. Okay. Unbelievable why this is happening. Let me type another browser. 1 second. Again, it's not added to the account. Surprise. Okay, 1 second. Same thing, different one. Okay, let's check this out once. Here I'll create the flow. Let it. So auto launch flow. I was calling, as I said, I was calling from pilot and let it open. So I'll deactivate this once and I'll do a small changes over here. I'll explain on this. Okay. Let me bring the output first of all, then I can explain. Okay. 1 second. Until unless you will not deactivate, you cannot make a change on this builder. Okay. So first of all,
Okay.
remove this topic, and then after that, now I only have this. Okay. Let's try to do the same over here. Then I'll check over there. Okay. So let's go to the builder. One moment. Where's the screen? Yeah, here's the screen. This time I'll pass only the ID, not the name. Okay. And then we'll have a check here. Let's see. Hope for the best. This should work this time. The case is successfully created. Now you see this is the place where it shows what is happening in your bot. Everything is, see, you given the input, the case is created, and you get a message. If you enlarge this, you see these are the thing which I added over here, right? Now I come here and refresh this again. Okay, 1 second. This time it should show the result. Yeah, it's created. Right now it is created with the test. Right now let's try to change the logic, because the agent who will log in, they definitely not pass the ID, they'll pass the name directly, right? That's not the best practice to pass the ID. It's better to pass the name, right? So let's do the small changes. I'll deactivate this. Click on the create record again. So I created one more resource variable, and I'll remove this account ID, and this time I choose this account name. Okay, and type account ID. Sorry, I'll just type ID. Why I'm typing account ID? Scroll down, the account ID will come. Yeah, this is the account ID. Okay, Hit the done and then try again. Save a new version. Activate. Now try with the name. This time we'll try with from the UI here. Okay. Let's try from here. See, when the moment you click on any account ticket, it will directly show over here, right? So I'll Omega Technology. That will be better. Okay, and this you can choose any of them. It's not specific like you have to choose Omega only. Any ticket you can choose. The best way it should show the ticket tagged with the case. Okay. Now let's see again. Is it active or not active? Okay, perfect. Okay, now go to the Omega Technology. Where is this? Related. This time. Oh no, the problem with this, I believe, the variable which I'm taking, that is getting a problem. But after choosing the ID, it should work. It is working after selecting the ID. Let's go over here and go to the account. Refresh the page. No, it's not working. So I think the problem with this, we need to change this, and here we need to choose account name. And I was just passing ID and I was tagging with the name. So at the time it was not working, but here it should work. So that's the thing. Actually, you understood like what exactly we have to do. We have to create a flow. First of all, in the flow, before creating the flow, I created the resource variable. If you come here and see the manager, in the manager, account name, account ID, case number, case region, priority, all that input I added over here, right, in the create record. After clicking on this, I did a small changes. Okay. I clicked on the manually assign, so ID should be assigned, right? So after clicking on the assign variable, you can assign that resource which you created for the case ID. Till then it is okay, right? Now come to that get record. In the get record, it will so this like the case number, it's an auto number field, and I just taken a variable, so I just equated that field which I taken from the object and the variable which I'm taking for the manager, both are equal, so that it can give the output. It is for the output, actually output, as in if you go here in the agent, if I click on this create case, in the create case, if you see here what input I given, actually, this is the description which is coming from the flow. If you click on the create record, it is coming from here, the description. Okay, so the description is coming from here, and these are the input which I added, like input variable which I taken on the flow. This I written so that my bot can understand, so that my agent can understand. This I written. User will provide the account record name, need to query account object and return to account ID field, right? For example, create a case tag with account text, right? So this is the example, so that my agent can understand. That is example, it's a mandatory thing we have to give. If you give the example, it is more easier for the agent to create a record and do the operation which you are looking for. Okay, and if you scroll down here, there's a other one reason. I taken the input as a reason, and then after that a new bug, got the new bug. Okay, this is the example. For if you see here entire input, I provided the example, that is mandatory thing. Describe the case priority, possible value high, or if not provided, use the default value. Okay, now same for the subject. Okay, now these all are the 4 input which are given on the create record. Now this is case number. This case number is coming from here, where it will show the input from the get record, right? Once the record is created, it will give you the get record is just like a SQL query. Everybody knows, right? You give the SQL query thing. Like we given the object and it's like a where clause, and the where clause I added this condition, like use this variable, and it will show whenever we create that record, it will show this. Where is it? Yeah, it was showing, right, that case is created with the name. So output is mandatory. If you will not give the output, it will not work. And while creating it, you have to make this field mandatory. Account is ID is mandatory. Without account ID, it will not create. So I created as mandatory. I didn't added the checkbox for other inputs like priority, subjects, and case reason. That is not mandatory at all. But account ID is mandatory. And here, so in conversation. So in conversation means like if you go over there, where is that? In the bot that in the middle of the screen which was coming. Let me do it again for you. Go back. So if you click here, in middle of the screen, it will create a record. It means like this. 1 second, let me do it again. Okay. So in the middle, you will see the conversation. Start a conversation and preview the conversation. So the checkbox which was showing over there, show the conversation, which is this. This what input you given, what output you accepted. So output I added in that get record. So output is mandatory. You have to add output. If you will not add output, it will not allow you to create the custom topic actions. I mean Einstein Copilot custom actions. Okay, so any doubt till here, you can ask the question. I'll take a small pouch.
No, I got it.
Everybody got it? Satyam, two Satyam, is there one or two Satyam, any one of them? You guys got it? And other people as well. It's not only for Satyam.
Yes.
Looks good? Perfect. Okay, so I'm just moving forward for another topic. So like how I created that action, first of all, I need to explain like how this action is coming, right? So if you see here, first of all, I have to deactivate this. Okay, and click on a new. This is the topics. Inside the topics, I'll come on the add action. It's for the custom action or standard action. You can add any of them. Click on it, and here you can choose either Apex, Flow, Prompt Template, Service. Any of them you can choose. So I chosen Flow because I created the flow and I'm calling the flow from there, right? So this way you can choose and you can search for your flow. Here all the flow will come. Create case, okay, and then click next. And these are all the value you have to. If I will not add the output in the flow, this will not come. So you have to always add the output, then only this will come. And you have to make the agent understandable so that they can understand. You have to add the instruction for each input, right? Account name, what you have to pass, and account ID, what you have to pass. Everything you have to pass over there, then only it will come. It is showing duplicate because I added two of them, so it's quite difficult for the agent to define. So I need to remove this that is coming from flow. Okay, so click on finish, and then you have to pass all the instruction and the case instruction as well, the output, what exactly it will show. Then it will create that agent for you, the custom agent. Okay, now let's create the standard one. Okay, let's try to add the standard one. So here it will not come. To add a standard, you have to come here. This will only take custom, my bad, and this will take standard. Okay, if I click on asset library, if I choose here identify, this one I already showed you, right? Now go to the summary one, summary record. Okay, if I click on this, summarize the single record in Salesforce CRM record. Okay, click finish. It's created now. Okay, so I'll activate this. Oh, sorry. Here I did. Okay. So now it's added over here. Now activate this and let's see the behavior. Go to the record, refresh the page. see what actually. So working on it. Here's the summary for account. See all the summary of your record. How many sales happened today? What operation done by your sales representative? You see, market leader in this field, 1,800 employees in the tech industry, and the sum closed deal amount of this fiscal years, financial years, right? And the amount of this open pipe is this 55,000, right? This way for all of them. So this is the standard custom action which we use for, sorry, standard Einstein Copilot action which we use to summarize the record. Okay, so this is the three thing I explained. One is identified by record, other one is the custom, and this is the another standard one, right?
Yeah.
Got it? Okay, perfect. Now let's do the other one. Let's add one more. Deactivate this and add one more standard, because one of you asked all about the standard action. So let me show other one. The other one is the other one. Which one I can take? Anyone you wanted to understand, so we can choose any of them. Give me any suggestion so that I can choose. Create case, close plan, anything. Okay, let me choose. Let's choose the query record. Yeah, see somebody saying something.
Okay.
Okay. Edit this query record. Activate. Okay. Let's first of all understand this. The editing. Activate. Firstly, see what exactly is inside in it, right? Okay, no problem. I'll go back. If you come on the agent action over here, agent action, you'll find all the list of actions. What is the use of each action? You can understand after clicking on it. Agent space action. This is the one. Okay. I chosen query, right? Let me type query over here. This is the list of all the standard. You see the source is standard, right? This is the query record. If you click on it, you'll understand. See, find and retrieve Salesforce CRM records based on your user input and specified conditions such as field value. This action automatically defines the correct record and object types. See the example. For example, find all open opportunity created in last 5 days, sorted by created date. Like for this, if you write a SQL query, select ID, etc., right? You'll do like this. You'll add order by last 5 days. You know everything. You'll add group by and all. Then you will get a result. But sales representative is a guy who don't know much technicality, right? They just know give the input and get output. That's the only thing they want, right? So to make their life easier, this is quite easy for them to check. You can put like this: find all the opportunity which is created in the fiscal year and sorted by the last modified date, right? So this way you can get the result. So you can go through all of them from the agent action, and this is the standard one. If you see the source is standard, even the flow was also standard, but I created a custom one, and then that will show custom. One of them is a custom over here. Let me type create create case. See, there's a custom. This one created by me 15th. Yesterday I created, right? And this is the custom one. So you can call the Apex class as well. You can use this flow as well. You can call the prompt template as well from this. This is all about the agent action. You want me to show you the how we can call the Apex class? I'm okay with it. Can I? Or you wanted to stop me over there? You would practice and reach out to me again. Whatever you guys say, I'll do the same.
At least one example, a small example.
For the Apex,
You
sure.
can show.
Thank you, John. Okay, so let's try with the Apex class one. Agent. Open in there. Okay, first of all, I need to deactivate. It's already deactivated. Perfect. Now let's create for the Apex class. You'll click on this new. For the custom, you need to choose this. For the standard, you have to choose this. For the standard Einstein Copilot action, you have to choose this. For the custom Einstein Copilot action, you have to use this. Okay. Now let's choose the Apex. So the moment you clicked on the Apex, it will give you the suggestion to select the Apex class, right? Try written one, update, case comment, information updated. Okay. Let me check some other one. Little easy one. Account handler. Nothing there. One second. Let me see which Apex class I have in my arc. One second, please. Oh no, because the Apex class which will only come, that is added at the rate invocable. If you not add at the rate invocable, it will not visible. You see, this is the Apex class. Update case record last modified. Until unless you will not add the invocable, let's create a Apex class from the scratch. Let's create, well, let me utilize the same. Let me think which one I can take. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. Update case. This one. Okay, let's see. Next. Case ID. See, automatically taken from the, it automatically fetch from the Apex class. Whatever I written in the Apex class, you see, it is automatically fetching. If you see here, where it is coming from, the case ID. See, identify the record, right? The case ID is queried from this. Similarly for the subject, parity, and everything. So now click finish. Any output is needed. It's already added. Based on your input, if any record found, then show success message or else return a sorry message and ask the user to retry after verifying the input case number. Okay. So I click finish. 1 second. See, you need to enable show in conversation setting for at least one output. Okay. So until unless you will not enable this, it will not let you activate this, let you save this. Click finish. That is added over here in this one. Now come here and, oh sorry, my bad. 1 second. Is it not saved? I think it is in this. I'll activate and have a check. Let's activate and okay. Case number, you can take example of any case number. 1 second. Let's see. This is for the Apex class one. Could you please provide the detail you like to update? Now, according to the Apex class, whatever I pass as an input, I need to see case ID, subject, and priority, right? I'll add subject. Let me do it for you again. Case priority. Hi. Now see what exactly for this right now, so that we can understand it is updated or not. Let me duplicate the tab. 1 moment. This is the case record. The priority is, in this case, what is the priority? High. I'll make it low. Okay. Low. Okay. And then subject. X2. Entry. Let's see. Working. Currently set a high priority support. To update this case, change the subject matter. Please provide the necessary detail and confirm the name. Maybe I was not providing the appropriate detail. That's why, or something like that. Case ID. Not updated. Still high. Seems I don't have necessary. See, it didn't get it. Maybe the Apex class I was calling it's not working, but this is the way, like the way, until unless you will not pass the appropriate input which you are passing in the Apex class, it will not take it. So even I pass this case ID I added, subject I added, priority I added, then what's the problem? How did it validate my question to try? Let me check it. X class last is modified. Let me see what we have. See. Priority subject. Let me try one more time. Then after that, I'll check tomorrow and let you know. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. It's updated. Has been updated with the my agent. How can see? It's updated perfectly because if you see here in the Apex class, what I written update case information. So if you come here in the see return a response from Einstein Copilot, right? The response I written, first of all I need to pass case number, then I need to pass subject and priority, right? So initially I was not passing the case number. I just written that, so it will not detect it like is it a case number or something else, right? So that's why it taken time. Now it is showing the output. Now let's check the record. It is updated or just giving the suggestion. Let's see. Yeah, my Einstein Copilot action low. So yes, is that it? It is working now. So now, any more question?
No, I
So
will
in this
try.
process, debug logs will not be going to generate, right?
It should generate. Let's see. No, I don't think it's generated. For this, we can do one thing. We can generate a custom debug log and have a check. Let's have a check. Okay, let's try that. Here, the debug log is not generated. Let's try with this. Click on the setup and then try like this. And here, search for the debug. Search debug over debug log, and then you can try like that from your own end, right? If you will stuck somewhere, we'll discuss that tomorrow, right? You can just add the debug log over here and have a check. And let's check in the you can check in the developer console as well. This can generate the logs. Okay. Any more questions for now? Anyone? Satyam, Kunal, Uttam, any one of them? You one and asking so that I can help. Sorry, I didn't hear you properly. Anyone saying something?
No.
No. All good for now?
Yeah, we're good now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Ranjan,